National Weather Service has issued a tornado watch, effective until 3 a.m. Sunday. This watch includes the following counties in Kentucky: Henry and Shelby. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, and television severe weather information are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings.
We're under it.
Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Tornado warning! I called it!
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a tornado warning for Du Bois County in south-central Indiana, western Crawford County in south-central Indiana, northwestern Perry County in south-central Indiana, until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:37 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 8:37 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Folsomville, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Expected time. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Folsomville, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Jasper, Huntingburg, Ferdinand, Holland, Birdvine, Du Bois, Celestine, Ranger, Brettsville, and Maytor. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This cluster of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Harrison County in south-central Indiana, southeastern Crawford County in south-central Indiana, central Perry County in south-central Indiana, northwestern Meade County in central Kentucky, north-central Hancock County in central Kentucky until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 8:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Grandview, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Tell City, Carefree Town, Mount Pleasant, Milltown, Leopold, Troy, Leavenworth, Alton, New Amsterdam, and Roberta. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time for south-central Indiana and central Kentucky. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a tornado. Du Bois County County, a 20% chance of rain. Lows in the mid-30s. For Wednesday. Thunderstorm warning for northwestern Shelby County, southwestern Hancock County, northeastern Morgan County, northern Johnson County, southern Marion County, until 10:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, northwestern Crawford County, 9:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located over Orange County in south central Indiana, southwestern Washington County in south central Indiana, until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 8:56 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles east of Jasper, moving northeast at 65
Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and
outbuildings. 70 miles per hour.
Locations impacted include Indianapolis, Greenwood, Lawrence, Beach Grove, Mooresville, Southport, New Whiteland, Cumberland, Whiteland, Bargersville, New Palestine, Brooklyn, Warren Park, Palmcroft, Waverly, and Tempe. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 96 and 110, Interstate 70 between mile markers 89 and 95, Interstate 74 between mile markers 93 and 104. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Hancock, Johnson, Marion, Morgan, and Shelby.
Now for the
Doubleheader.
Metro.
Doubleheader.
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern DuBois County, northwestern Crawford County, northwestern Perry County, Orange County, southwestern Washington County until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 8:56 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles east of Jasper, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Jasper, Powley, English, Orleans, French Lick, Sappers Creek, Orangeville, West Baden Springs, Birdseye, and Hardinsburg. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time for South Central Indiana. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: DuBois, Orange, and Washington.
And northwestern Perry counties will expire at 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight.
Tornado warning again.
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Harrison County in south central Indiana, southeastern Crawford County in south central Indiana, northeastern Perry County in south central Indiana, northwestern Meade County in central Kentucky until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 9:03 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 15 miles northeast of Cal City, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornadoes. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Courts, Carefree Town, Mount Sutton, Milltown, Leopold, Leavenworth, Alton, Ranger, and Hardin. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lower floor of a street. Avoid windows. In a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Brown, Johnson, Morgan, and Shelby. The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Perry County in south central Indiana, northern Hancock County and central Kentucky until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Hawesville, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Tell City, Hawesville, Gandleton, Troy, Petrie, Skillman, Adair, Lilydale, Fenhaven, and Gerald. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time for south central Indiana and central Kentucky. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Another one!
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Meade County in central Kentucky, northeastern Breckinridge County in central Kentucky until 10:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 9:17 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Hardinsburg, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Brandenburg, Webster, Irvington, Akron, Mockport, Guston, Lowdale, Mystic, Raymond, and Rock Haven. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time for south central Indiana and central Kentucky. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Oh no.